A storm is brewing in the Congress Party, and Shashi Tharoor is right in the middle of it. While Tharoor was in Moscow, filming for Russian TV and meeting diplomats, rumors back home took flight. Whispers of a secret meeting with PM Modi stirred controversy, but Tharoor's camp denies it completely. Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal warned Tharoor to toe the party line, hinting action may follow. Then came Tharoor's cryptic post. Don't ask permission to fly. The wings are yours, and the sky belongs to no one. But Congress wasn't silent. Rahul Gandhi's aide, Manickam Tagore, fired back. Even a free bird must watch the skies. Vultures may circle, and some predators wear patriotism as feathers. Even party chief Mallikarjun Kharge took a jab, saying, for some, Modi comes first. The message is
leaders in other countries, and the Prime Minister certainly seemed to take that idea on board.
पार्टी बात देश फर्स्ट हमने कहा वो अब जन लोग ऐसा कहते हैं मोदी फर्स्ट देश बात
clear. Tensions are rising, and Tharoor's wings might be tested. Stay tuned for more political drama.